What happens when the soldier on the front line is no longer human? How does a nation defend itself against an army of 1,000 drones, all thinking as one? Who is truly in control when an algorithm can launch a counterattack faster than any human general? Can a war be fought, won, or lost entirely in cyberspace, powered by AI? And most profoundly, who is to blame when a machine designed to protect makes a fatal mistake? These are not questions for a distant future. They are the urgent dilemmas of today, as militaries worldwide race to integrate AI into every facet of their operations. The character of war is transforming, shifting from human soldiers to silicon and software dominating the battlefield. This isn't just about better weapons, it's about changing who makes decisions in war, humans or algorithms. As the battlefield expands into the digital realm, understanding this new reality is critical. The choices we make now will shape the security landscape for generations. The journey into algorithmic warfare is underway, forcing us to confront these questions head-on, and the answers will define what it means to be human in an age of intelligent machines. War has always driven technological innovation. The side with the superior tools often wins. From the longbow to gunpowder, each breakthrough has reshaped military strategy and society itself. The Industrial Revolution brought machine guns, tanks, and airplanes, making war more destructive and demanding total national mobilization. The atomic bomb introduced mutually assured destruction, deterring direct conflict between major powers for decades. The Cold War shifted the arms race to technology, spies, satellites, and precision-guided munitions. Now, AI is poised to upend the very foundations of warfare, moving from tools that enhance humans to tools that may replace human decision-making. This is the most disruptive step yet in the long history of war and technology. Before AI, modern warfare was defined by immense danger to human soldiers. Ambushes, IEDs, and sniper fire were constant threats. The psychological and political costs of casualties often limited military operations, especially for democracies. Commanders faced overwhelming data and the fog of war, leading to fatal errors and slow response times. Logistics were a massive burden. Supporting each soldier required vast resources and exposed supply lines. Training replacements for lost soldiers was costly and time-consuming, making every casualty a strategic loss. The emotional toll, PTSD, and moral injury extended far beyond the battlefield. These challenges drove militaries to seek solutions that would reduce human risk and increase operational effectiveness, paving the way for AI. Artificial intelligence is now transforming the military arsenal, taking on the dull, dirty, and dangerous jobs once reserved for humans. Autonomous ground vehicles, robotic tanks, and personnel carriers can scout, breach defenses, and engage targets without risking human lives. Drone swarms, guided by AI, can overwhelm defenses, conduct surveillance, or act as precision weapons, changing the economics of warfare. In cyberspace, AI-powered systems monitor networks, detect threats, and launch countermeasures in milliseconds, far faster than any human. These technologies are not science fiction. They are being deployed now, shifting the focus from human risk to machine speed and resilience. The goal: a force that is faster, more lethal, and less vulnerable. But as machines take over, the logic of war becomes more automated, with decisions made at machine speed. The battlefield is now a contest between competing algorithms. AI is reshaping both the soldier's experience and national strategy. Casualties can be reduced. Losing a robot is not the same as losing a human life. Human soldiers are shifting to roles as supervisors, remote operators, and technicians, moving away from direct combat. AI accelerates the pace of war. Decisions and actions happen at speeds no human can match, creating a new era of hyperwar. The side with the fastest, smartest AI will dominate, fueling a new arms race in algorithms and processing power. The skills of future soldiers will focus on technical expertise and systems management, not just physical toughness. Smaller nations with advanced AI could challenge larger armies, but the high cost of AI may widen the gap between technological haves and have-nots. The future battlefield is a contest of machine intelligence, not manpower. AI in warfare promises fewer human casualties, but introduces new and troubling risks. AI systems can make catastrophic errors, misidentifying targets and causing civilian deaths. Hacking and adversarial AI are major threats. An enemy could hijack or deceive autonomous systems, turning them against their own side. The battle for control of data and networks is now as critical as the physical fight. Rapid, automated responses risk unintended escalation. Conflicts could spiral out of control in seconds before humans can intervene. Accountability becomes murky. If an autonomous weapon kills civilians, who is responsible? The programmer, the commander, or the machine? This accountability gap challenges military justice and international law. As machines take over, the risk of losing control and losing our moral compass grows. Should a machine ever have the authority to decide who lives or dies? This is the core debate over lethal autonomous weapons, killer robots. Supporters claim machines could be more ethical, free from fear or revenge, and strictly follow the laws of war. Critics argue that only humans can truly weigh the value of life and the context of battle. Outsourcing this decision dehumanizes war. Can an AI distinguish between a civilian and a combatant, or judge proportionality? Many say these are uniquely human judgments. Calls for a ban on fully autonomous weapons are growing, with demands for meaningful human control over lethal force. The question remains, just because we can build these systems, should we? The answer will define the moral character of future conflict. By 2045, major powers may have fully autonomous AI-driven defense networks, detecting and responding to threats across all domains, often without human intervention. The arms race will focus on smarter, faster algorithms, not just more tanks or planes. Quantum computing and neuromorphic chips will drive the next leap in military AI. The battlefield will be a virtual contest between rival AIs, with victory going to the side with superior code. Human soldiers will become AI managers and data scientists, overseeing fleets of autonomous systems from afar. The ultimate question remains, should machines have the final say over life and death? War may change, but the stakes, violence, destruction, and moral consequence remain. As we hand over more control to AI, we must proceed with caution and humility. The future of war and peace depends on it.